What's up, guys? Dave here on top of the house. And if you have problems with water getting into your basement coming from underneath the slab, this is a possible reason. If your gutters are clogged and the rainwater, especially under hard rain, the water just sort of spills over the gutter. It doesn't get flushed out through the normal gutter passage. It goes all the way down to the bottom of the ground, and then it seeps under the ground, into your basement area. So unfortunately, you have to either hire this job out or get up here and get your leaf blower. That's what I use. I just use my good old Stihl BG56C Leaf Blower. I got videos on that device also. And you have to just methodically clean out the gutters, and just be careful when doing it. Make sure you wear good rubber soled shoes. And notice, like this end here is starting to pull away from it a little bit, so I'm gonna have to reattach that a little bit better. But that's basically the reason why you get water coming into the bottom of your basement. Or that's one reason, at least. Some people claim that they have these gutter guards or these shields over the top of them. That can help to a point, but the rainwater can still spill over the top of them, if it's really raining hard, and that water will still go down to the ground area instead of out to the side where your downspouts should be leading. So anyway, lots of fun. Make sure you be extremely careful doing this, or just hire the job out, and have someone else do it. But let's fire up our Stihl leaf blower and see what it looks like while we're doing this. Anyway, we'll keep going, doing that process all around the gutters of this house. And when you live around trees and that sort of thing, this is kind of a thing you have to do a few times a year, unfortunately. But I've noticed whenever I clean out my gutters and then another hard rainstorm comes, I no longer have problems with water coming under my basement slab. So that just tells me that this is the main reason why it's happening. It might be different for you, but that's what it's been doing for me for several years now. So make sure you hire this job out, or be very careful if you do it yourself. Check out our other videos on our channel. We've got 2 YouTube channels, and we have eBay store, Amazon store, so look for links in the description of the video, and the thumbnail will pop up at the end that can guide you into other areas of our channel that might help you. Y'all have a good day. We'll see you.